history together. Like, my friends is literally my family. Because, you know, this a girl thing. We got to stick together.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Jay, checking in on the cam. Kay will not be joining me for this video on today. She is under the weather, but no worries. She'll be back soon. Today, you guys, oh my goodness, we have a seafood boil mukbang with the beloved Smackalicious sauce. I got my lemon on deck. I got my king crab, my snow crab, my shrimp, my lobster, my corn, my eggs, and my potatoes. If you're going to do it, right? So let's get to it. I followed the directions precisely. I did everything the packet said and for a shrimp first. I really thought about de-shelling it, but nah. I didn't want to. And I cooked everything myself. I didn't go and get it from anywhere. Ooh, y'all. I'm so ready for this. So ready for it. Ready. Like SpongeBob. Ready. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh! I'm squeezing some lemon up here. Mm-hmm. That's good though. It's so good. Potato. Now this sauce is so good. Excuse me. I got the mild version. Ooh, that's good. I'm sorry, y'all. Got spills all over my face. And to drink, I got me some Welch's grape juice. Okay. Let me get this lobster. Y'all, the weather here in Georgia, excuse me, is ridiculous. It is so crazy. 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it's cold, 1 minute it want to rain for 40 days or 40 nights. I think the weather is confused. Mm. Mm. Shout out to B-Love. This sauce is good. I need some sausage. And these are beef sausage. My king crab. I got my sugar because these are prickly. Okay. Mm-hmm. Get my scissors. So I hope you all had an amazing day. Even though the weather is bipolar, it's literally been raining all day. I had to go out and get to the pharmacy. Normally, it'll take me like 5 minutes to get there. It took me 15 minutes today just to get to the pharmacy. Just to get to the pharmacy. Ooh, let me get that. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on now. Let me get my lemon. I heard it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. And it's supposed to be in the clear until next week, and it's supposed to do the exact same thing. That's really a bummer. So, a little about me and Key, or K. But before we get into that, make sure you all like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video to our channel. So just a little bit about us. If you all don't know, Key, the little girl that you see in the videos with me, she is my biological daughter. I know a lot of people record their cousins, nieces, nephews, but she's my daughter. I had her when I was 18. She's currently in the 4th grade, and she is just the light of my world. I love that girl to death. We wanted to do YouTube actually a long time ago. We've been wanting to do YouTube for like 5 years, but we never just said we were going to do it. So one day, I literally just said, okay, we're going to start doing YouTube. And we started. I mean, of course people mentioned it because she has like 3 videos out where she got like, I want to say 500 shares, a couple of thousand views, and everybody always mentioned it. So we just started. And even though, you know, our channel is not as big now, I still treat it like we have millions and millions of subscribers. I put my all into it just to show her it's no lacking. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I got stuff all around my mouth. Sorry, y'all. Mm. Ooh. You guys leave me some comments down below on what you want to see next. I mean, we got some stuff coming up. But tell me what you all want to see from like a mother-daughter standpoint. Do you all want to see pranks? Do you all want to see vlogs? Do you all want to see mukbangs? Challenges? I think everybody enjoys the challenges. I enjoy them. But just let us know what you want to see. Mm. Ooh. I'm sorry, y'all. It's just so good. I got a corn. Let me get that corn in there. Ooh. 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 Mm. Woo. And I feel like doing my makeup. Because I ain't want to put it on and then eat and get stuff everywhere. And then, like, take it off. I don't want to waste my makeup. I don't know how I'm about to do this. Oh, man, I broke it. This meat is so sweet. I got all my seafood from Publix. I don't feel like cracking it. King crab. Whew. Come on. Come on. It's really prickly. Yeah, I remember when I first found out I was pregnant with Kitori. Ooh, excuse me. I was so scared. So, me and my cousin, we went and got a pregnancy test. I was 17 at the time. And I'm like, this for y'all? I was like, no, it ain't for me. Just lying. And so my cousin like, you gonna take it? And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I got 2 of them. So I got home. I took them. And they came out positive. I was just like, oh my God. And I was a junior in high school. I was just like, my mama finna freak. My mama finna go off on me. So, as soon as it happened, I ran in the room and I saw my mama. Okay then. I was like, Mama, I'm pregnant. Oh my God, what I'm gonna do? And I cried and cried and cried and cried and cried. And I noticed she wasn't saying nothing. She was just looking at me. She was just like, I already know. She's like, I washed your clothes. I've been new since I, hadn't seen anything. And I just was like, oh yeah. So my mama already knew. So she gave me the longest talk. She was just like, hold your head up. Don't quit high school. Still go to college. Don't let this, don't let this stop you from fulfilling your dreams. I got you every step of the way. Just inspirational. Because, the damage was done, so it wasn't really nothing she could fuss about at that point. Now, my dad, on the other hand, he wouldn't study none of that. He didn't talk to me for a while. And it's so funny because the relationship that my daughter and my dad, the relationship they have now, she has him wrapped around her whole hand. Not just one finger, her whole hand. And it's just so funny because it's like, you were mad at first. And now she's just your joy. Which I think is like that with all dads. Well, all parents, basically. Oh, that's so good and sweet. Yeah, this is so good. Shout out to B Loves. I love the sauce. I made a big bowl of it. So whatever I don't use or eat, I'm going to put it up. I'm going to go get me a rotisserie chicken. And B Love, she is such an inspiration. I remember one time I was watching one of her videos, and she was like, when she got to 100 subscribers, she thought it was the best thing in the world. And mind you now, she has over 1 million subscribers. She is so humble, and I love that about her. And that's just how I am. We have over 100 subscribers, and it's like one of the best things in the world. 100 people took the time out to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Man. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave us ideas for what you want to see on our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified every time we post a new video.
Hey, back it out west, slang it out.